So in the last video, we did the rope balls. And so I thought we would try doing bowls this time. I found these two different shapes, and then I put cellophane wrap around them and then taped them inside to make sure that they're secure. And so we're going to take, I decided to use the soft one, the rope, and I'm gonna put on the ends. I just think that it's a little safer that it doesn't unwind because it is braided, and so it will start to unbraid. So I just put a little glue here on the end, and then I'm just gonna start the little circle to make sure. Okay, so on this, the glue will actually be the Mod Podge instead of the hot glue gun, but I just wanted to start it that way. Okay, so we're gonna wrap it around a few times, and then we're gonna put the Mod Podge on, and this one is the matte Mod Podge. So we just start a circle, and then we do want it to start gluing. So I put some Mod Podge in just a little basket, so it's easier to use than getting in the bottle. Anyway, so we'll just start on here, and the cellophane, it won't adhere to this when it's done, so this will be an easy way to get it off, but protects the dish if you want it. These are just a couple my husband was throwing out, and so I said, hey, if it does get on it, who cares? But this does protect it when you put the cellophane on. Okay, so just want to make sure that it's on there. See, and that it will, see, it's like a glue, so it is starting. And then you'll continue to wrap around some more. And then you'll put more Mod Podge on. And then you'll wrap some more until you get down to the end. And if you want to wear gloves, you can, but I think glue is really easy to wash off. See, but it even sticks a little from what you had left over. So let's repeat that, and then when I get to the end and ready to go over to the edge, I'll be back with you right then. So I'm just going over the sides now, and I put a little bit under so it will adhere to that top layer, and then you just wind it around. And then I just go back and put some over the top so that it glues on. This is actually going pretty fast and easy to do. I guess the harder time is just waiting for it to dry, which would be a few days. So you just go all the way up to the top. And when I get down there to the top, which is really the bottom right now, of the bowl, I'll let you see it as it is. Now, actually, it's only taken like a couple of minutes that I got down here, but I'm going to stop before, that's Kiki. We're gonna stop before it goes out on the little bevel, and so I'm gonna stop, I think, right here. I would say my suggestion on this one is to make sure that they are up close to each other, because when they dry, you don't want them to be, have a little separation gap in there. So I'm just gonna put one more quick thing. Let me cut this off, this cord. And then I'm just gonna tuck it in under, see right here, I'm just gonna tuck it right in here. And make sure that last row is pretty glued on. And then that's it. Now we'll just let it dry for a couple of days. I'll check it and I'll show you when it's complete and when we take it off of this cellophane to see how it turns out. Because we all find out together, don't we? Bye.